WC's in the streets and byways at Guadalajara and the Dallas Symphony Orchestra here on 99.5 WCRB music that makes Boston feel like home. Made possible on WCRB thanks to our listener contributors. Join them by becoming a monthly sustaining member and ensure that the music always has a home on your radio. Sign up online at classicalwcrb.org or call 888-995-9272. I'm Ty Wallerson and I'm joined by Dave Buckler.
And we are talking this morning about one of our most popular thank you gifts, the Utah Emergency Radio. Support WCRB by giving $10 per month and pick up the Utah Radio as our way to say thank you for your support. If you already have one, it's a great time to pick up another one as an ask of the Utah Emergency Radio. Again, do not miss out on today. It's our only Saturday of this membership drive, so support your Saturday listening. Call 888-995-9272 or give online at classicalwcrb.org.
Well, you love WCRB, and this is a great way to take it wherever you go. Now, when you get out of the car to go to the beach during the summer, you can just take it's very portable. This radio along with you. You'll be able to listen to the music you love right there on the ocean side or right on your favorite lake. And it's hand crankable, so even if the battery starts running down, well, you just give it a few cranks and if you're away. It's got an LED flashlight, and you can even charge your cell phone, so it's got all kinds of great stuff, not just for emergencies, but for your everyday out and about life. Sign up as a sustaining member at $10 a month or give $120 all at once and ask for the Eton Emergency Radio. Deadline is 1 o'clock after that. You'll have to give $180